Welcome to the channel, and we're gonna have a review for the Givi. Mark first and subscribe to our channel. This is the Givi. That's what you could see here, and it's very. You could easily open the zipper here, and then you can put some of your, for example, your mobile, your phone. This is an iPhone, so you can also put there, or some coins or your keys you can put there. And material is waterproof. Zipper there, and you also have a zipper here. There you. This is your zipper, and inside is you could hook, because this is just a magnet here. You could put here. This is bulky. You can put at least four t-shirt or even more. Big size is big, and here we go. And here you could put your phone. So how you put your phone here? There's a zipper here. You see that zip here, and then you just put your iPhone there. So this is iPhone 4 that I use, and here while driving you could navigate, so it's more safer. And once you remove there, that's for the mobile there. And this is waterproof and very, you can feel the cloth is good quality. And then here at the back, you have here the magnet here. There are two magnets here. So you can open here the magnet, and this is the small magnet here. It's a powerful magnet enough to hold your, support your ride there in your tank, in your motor tank. There's a magnet there, and also here also at the side also have a magnet, same magnet we have. And you just put here, you could easily navigate and put your tank like this. So it will be like this. This is the holder which support your tank to hold. And also we also have the, if you're not yet sure, maybe your speed you want more support, you also have the connect. This is the connectors here that would really support. This is the holder. This is for the first here you could put to hold. So you could put your support here. This is the first support, and we have four here. One, the other one, also there. See, there you go. This is the second one, third one, and the fourth one. So there are four connectors there to support this one here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that will be enough. And you want to sure that all your stuff are not wet. We also have the raincoat here. So this is enough to support that your bag will not be wet. Here we go. So that's the support if it's rain so hard and you want the safety for your stuff not to be wet. So enough for that to hold the wet, it cannot go inside. So this is good, and based from my review, it's highly recommended, and you could enjoy your ride without hassle. So again, this is Givi and thumbs mark there. Don't forget the thumbs mark, and hopefully you enjoy the channel and subscribe. Thank you then.